no! Oh no! I hate the loud sky. It's too loud. I'm scared.
Please stop, Thunder. Please go away right now.
I am not brave at all. I am just a scared little puppy.
Peep, peep. These seeds are so yummy. Wow, look at that pretty butterfly.
Wait! Ruby, come back here right now! It is very dangerous outside. The sky is so dark and scary. I must go, no matter what.
The wind is so tickly. Yay!
Oh dear. What do I do now?
I am too scared to go out there. But she is so small.
Ouch! Ugh. Oh my goodness, that hurts! Pull! Pull! Oh no, I cannot move my legs. Bah. 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 Is anyone out there? Please, someone help me. I am stuck. I am so tired. And the wind is so cold.
Oh, my poor tummy. I am so hungry today. I need a big, delicious lunch.
Well, well, well. Look at that.
A fat, blind sheep, and he cannot run away.
I must step gently. Mud is so gross. I cannot do it! I cannot go outside!
Ruby is so small. The wind will blow her away.
I must be brave. I am a sheepdog. It is so cold and windy. Ouch, ouch, ouch. This dirt is so sharp. Ruby! Where are you, little bird?
I am coming, Ruby. Stay there.
This is a really fun game. Wah! Ah! Ow! Ouch! Ouch, my poor nose! What did I hit?
Oh, I am so sorry, Mr. Beetles.
Hey, watch where you are stepping, clumsy dog. I did not mean to hit you. I must go. We must move our home to higher ground. Bah? Who is there? Is that you, Max?
Yes, my old friend. I am here to help. Are you the kind farmer coming to help me?
Oh no! A coyote! Help! Help me, please!
Nobody can hear you in this big storm.
Gotcha, you silly bird!
Peep? Why did you stop my fun game, Max?
It is not a game, Ruby. It is a bad storm.
Huh? Why is it so quiet all of a sudden? Sniff! Sniff! What is this weird smell? The air smells like wet metal and sharp electricity. The big rain is coming. It will be here very soon. Did you hear that, Ruby?
Peep? Hear what, Max? I only see the trees dancing.
It is Uncle Wooly. He is crying for help. Ruby, listen to me. Go inside that log and hide.
Okay, Max. This is a great hiding game.
I cannot leave him. A good sheepdog never leaves his sheep. I am so hungry I could eat a tractor. You are perfect. I am so hungry. You are perfect.
Woof! Woof! Leave my friend alone! Huh? Who said that?
A baby puppy? Are you joking? Max, run away, quickly! He will eat you too! I will not leave you, Uncle Wooly.
Sniff! Sniff! The storm is going to break in 3 seconds.
Hey, ugly coyote! You are so slow and stupid! What did you say, you little rat?
Catch me if you can!
Grrr! That is it! I will eat you first! Ha! You can't outrun me! I got you now, you annoying little dog! Ah! It is so loud! Oh my goodness!
Where did all this water come from?
Whoa!
My fur is totally ruined! Pull, pull, pull! Phew! That was really close.
Grrr! This stupid mud! I cannot stand up!
Achoo! I hate storms. I really hate little puppies. Goodbye, Mr. Coyote. I hope you enjoy your muddy bath. You little rugrat. I'll get you for this.
Hold on, Uncle Wooly. I am coming back. Bah! Max, you are alive.
Grrr! 1, 2, 3, pull!
Ouch! But I am free. Thank you, Max.
Quick, stand up! Let's go home! Ruby! Are you still there?
Peep! Peep! I am getting wet! I do not like this. It is okay, Ruby. We are going home.
I am so tired. My wool is so heavy.
We can do it! Just a few more steps! Push, push! Go inside, Uncle Wooly. Slam! Stay outside, ugly storm! Phew! We are finally safe.
Flap, flap! Wow, that was a really crazy adventure, Max.
Oh, Max. You saved my life today.
You are not a scared puppy. You are the bravest sheepdog. I
am not shaking. I am not scared of the thunder anymore.
I smelled the storm before it even came. It was gonna be a big one. I guess my big ears and my wet nose are very useful.
Achoo! Achoo! I am so cold and hungry.
I just wanted a tiny little snack.
Sweet dreams, my brave friends.
Good night, little bird. You are safe now.
I am a real sheepdog now.
Do you think Max will ever be scared of a loud thunderstorm again? Tell us below.